Nếu mà các bạn xả rác con cá nó sẽ bị đột biến giống vậy á.
Thanh Hoa hội tụ, bên kia sầm đâu.
Welcome Sonion. Hello. All right.
Today's theme, hunger for growth. It's very, very important, and it's part of our passion for Sonion. But also today, what's very important is the messages that we have for you for our ESG ambition. Thank you to all of you, the ones that are taking part in the games, and to everybody else that's going to be watching today. Without you and your help for Sonion, we would never be successful. Let the game start. Let's get on.
Different breed, cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we keep. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we gon' go around till the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Because we're dynamite, ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite, gonna let the world know.
Every day I'm shuffling. shuffling. Yeah.